Hey Krazies, welcome back to another video. So I was looking back at the footage from today's video and I realized I didn't make an intro. So here I am. If you want to see how I got this look with this fringe bang, and I kind of like snipped the ends of the hair too because it was a little bit thin. Just stay tuned and keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See, if you ever mess up the hairline of a lace, baby, it could be fixed. Don't worry about it, because look. Alright, so we're gonna get right into this because I feel like my videos are always extra long. So I'm taking my wig, my straight olive hair wig from my first install video, and I'm going to spray it down with the even tinted lace spray, light warm brown. Yeah. I feel like that was a lot, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna take, to hold that in, I'm gonna take some Gatui just to, make sure it stays where it's supposed to stay at. There we go. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then while that dries, I'm gonna tell you guys like a little update about this hair. Like, it's really soft. It's really so I've had it for what, like a month and a half now. It's really soft. It doesn't tangle. The only huge problem is that it sheds. It sheds so much. I'm gonna put in like a clip of when I washed it for like the second time, so you guys can see how much it shedded. But yeah, so I'm letting this dry. I had a thingy here. Whatever. I'm gonna just use the wig cap package and dry that. So after that's done doing its thing, I'm not really gonna, put powder and stuff on my, see, look, shedding. Powder and stuff on my cap because I'm putting a bang, so I don't think it really matters. I don't think it matters. Okay. So after we got that back there, gonna make sure everything's lined up. The middle part's not like really in the middle, but I'll fix that later. I do it by the ear tabs, seeing like if each side is where it's supposed to be. And they are, so that's good. So I'm gonna take my Hold Me Down by Erica J and the back of my razor comb. I already put one layer down, so I'm just gonna put another one. I don't really care how long this stays on because I'm not really going anywhere. So that brings me to a total of 2 layers. So I'm gonna do it section by section so that, I get it down really well. I got the tiny bottle. I feel like I need to re-up soon. I'm not in a rush, but I want to go outside and take like pictures before the sun goes down. It's like 5 o'clock. Okay, now that that part's down, I can move on to the sides. Okay. That'll do for now. I should get my elastic band. All right, I'm gonna be right back. Let me get my elastic band. All right, so we back. I got my elastic band. All right, so I'm going to take off. Yeah. I'm gonna take off my elastic band. If I could, I did the knot hella tight. Okay. Ooh. It ain't much, cause I don't really, listen, I'm nonchalant. I don't really care, cause it's gonna get cut. Anyway, section, I think like this much. Now we're gonna cut. There. So I think and I'm gonna take my razor comb and thin this side out. All right, we Gucci. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is take this little bit and thin it out. The comb. Okay, so let me just finish flattening this out. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes and my lips and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'll put a link down to my lashes down below, but yeah, I'm very pleased with it. See, if you ever mess up the hairline of a lace, baby, it could be fixed. Don't worry about it, because look, now it's a look. Hold on, let me turn up this light a little bit so y'all can see. But yeah, if you ever mess up a lace, sweetie, quick fix, quick, cute fix. I think I'm gonna leave it like this for a couple of days and then I'll chop it to like a blunt bob. I think I really want a blunt bob. Like not one that's short, but one that's like right here. Maybe. I don't know. I'm looking in the mirror trying to see. Oh yeah, that would be fire. So let me know if y'all want to see me cut this baby shorter, because whether y'all want me to or not, I think I'm gonna do it anyway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You know, stay tuned. I think you guys like my hair videos more than anything else, so I think I'm gonna keep doing hair more. Y'all gonna follow me on this journey of like weaves, wigs, my natural hair. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for, you know, sticking with me thus far. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Hey, pardon my vision, my physics is something unrealistic. I'm just reaching for the antonym of a statistic, cause I've had homies who were balling, going so ballistic, and now they falling from the sky and thinking that they finished. We steady fighting for our freedom like a dread sky, and taking out our